What is the best ceramic coating to choose for your vehicle? There are hundreds of different ceramic coating brands to choose from. Some are good, some are terrible, and some are superior to others. We have been in the detailing and automotive industry for over 15 years combined. Over these years, we have used many different ceramic coatings, and we now install what we believe is the best ceramic coating. When choosing the right ceramic coating for your vehicle, it comes down to three things: durability, performance, and warranty. Let's touch on durability. This is ultimately how long the coating is going to last. Once installed, it should perform and protect for years and even up to a lifetime depending on the company or coating package you choose. To ensure ceramic coating lasts as long as it should, it also comes down to maintenance. And maintenance really just means the vehicle needs to be properly washed on a somewhat regular basis. We have seen some of the biggest name brand ceramic coatings out there fail, and some of them just simply do not perform. Some of them don't even make it to a year before starting to break down. Now, if a vehicle is properly cleaned on a regular basis, driven daily, or exposed to more elements than a car that is only driven on the weekends, then this coating could become clogged. A clogged coating is fairly normal for a daily driver and does not mean the coating has failed. It is as simple as a decontamination wash to unclog the ceramic coating. We perform this service on every vehicle that we install ceramic coating on every year. We call this an annual inspection. This allows us to lay eyes on the vehicle, again, to ensure everything is performing as it should and to perform a decontamination wash so the coating stays healthy. Moral of the story is some ceramic coating brands out there, no matter how well you maintain them, just simply do not last and will fail. The next factor is performance, meaning is the coating protecting and repelling the things that you need it to repel against. A quality ceramic coating should be extremely hydrophobic. This just simply means you should be able to see the reaction the ceramic coating is having to water when you're either washing the vehicle or when it's raining. If the water is laying flat, then the coating is not performing as it should. If the water has a roll-off effect, then this means the coating is still performing as it should. Because this effect also means that contaminants are not allowing themselves to be embedded into the paint. These embedded contaminants can cause permanent defects. These defects can be things such as etching, fading, marring, and staining. Your vehicle needs protection on it at all times to prevent these things from happening. And when a ceramic coating fails prematurely, you'll go weeks, months, or even years thinking that your coating is performing as advertised. And in reality, the coating failed a long time ago, exposing your vehicle to the elements. So choosing a ceramic coating that performs gives you peace of mind knowing that your vehicle is protected. The final factor in choosing the right ceramic coating is warranty. This can be either the manufacturer or the installer's warranty. This is essentially just giving you peace of mind that if your coating is not reacting or performing the way it should, either the manufacturer or us, the installer, is going to have you covered at no cost to you. And there are a ton of ceramic coating manufacturers and installers that provide no warranty at all. To me, this is just them saying they don't trust their product enough to guarantee it. Here at 86 Auto Lab, located in Franklin, Tennessee, we use XPEL Ceramic Coatings. After testing many different coatings in the past, we have come to the conclusion that XPEL has performed the best and is the most durable coating out there. Once installed, the coating is extremely slick, looks extremely glossy, and has lasted the longest out of some of the other big name manufacturers we have previously used. This is why we offer a 5-year warranty on all of our XPEL Fusion packages and a lifetime warranty for our XPEL Fusion Plus packages. On top of XPEL being our preferred ceramic coating of choice, we also install their paint protection film and window tint due to their excellent reputation and film performance. So if you're looking to have your vehicle protected, XPEL Ceramic Coating is what we stand behind. And if you're in the Franklin, Brentwood, or Nashville area, we would love to get your vehicle protected. Give us a call today at 615-506-6286 or stop by at 1552 Columbia Avenue, Building 3 in Franklin, Tennessee.